So now we have done with the almost half process we have gone through. We are done with this mixture, mixing with this internal slurry or debris or whatever things are there inside. For 10 minutes I kept my bike on. Now I'm going to remove or drain this mixture from the drain plug. So we'll see how and what color we're going to get. Be careful with the silencer. It's very hot, so show you the color. As you can see, a lot of black oil is coming out. Completely changed. So this is how you have to do the flushing, and then I have to pour new oil, which I have already kept it in ready condition. So the flushed out engine oil. So this is the way you have to use engine flush if you are not able to get chemical from the market, or if you are at remote place or something, then you can definitely use diesel without any problem. So thanks for watching and have a great day.